Judicial officer-sing amadi advocate-singgi training houkhre. Lok adalat ki khuthangda waroishin purakpana tung koina nungainadaba leihande. Manipur State Legal Services Authority na Supreme Court ki Mediation and Conciliation Project Committee MCPC ga kutsamnaduna lakliba October 3 fauba chathagadaba chayol amagi oiba nifurak suba Awas Mediation Induction Training Program ama ngarangdagi High Court of Manipur Complex ta haudokhre. Concept and Technique of Mediation haina mingthonba training program asi Judicial Officer sing amasung Advocate Singgi oina chathabani. Program asida Judicial Officer kun amasung Advocate nifu mangana saruk yari. Training program adu haudokpagi thoramda High Court of Manipur gi Judge oina lairiba Justice A. Guneshwar Sharmana fongdokhibada miyoibagi marakta lairiba yanadaba amasung chayetnaba khudingmak matam yamna changba amasung sel yamna tingba mafam ama oiriba courta wakat thangatpa khaktana loishingani haina khanaroidabani. Manipur amasung Tripura State ani asigi mising chaurakna manarabasu Judicial Officer masingdi Manipur dagi Tripura na saruk ani heli. Maramasina Manipur State ki oina miyam marakta lainariba yanadaba amasung chayetnaba khudingmak courta case thangkatuna waroishin puraknaba hotnabagi mahutta mediation gi thabak paikhatuna nungsi chanana loishinnaba hotnaba haibasi yamna mathau tai. Manipur gi court singda judge masing marang kaidaba maramna tongan ba case kayamarum loishinba ngamdana panthaduna lairi haina Guneshwar na fongdokhi. Miyamna yanadaba amadi chayetnaba khudingmak yariba makai courta sale amasung matam mangna wakat thangatlubagi mahutta legal expert singna saba mediation amasung lok adalat kumba program singda sale amata tingdana makhoigi waroishin puraknaba hotnabiyu hainasu mahakna media da appeal tawki. Thawong asina matam amasung course manghandaba heli haiki. Civil ga mari lainaba case sing matrimonium dispute sing amadi apikpa imong manunggi oiba chayetnaba sing asi mediation gi pambaina waroishin purakpa yai. Lok adalat amasung mediation da waroishin purakpa asina yetnariba party singi marakta matam manghandana waroishin purakpa ngamhalli. Hariba platform sing asida mari lainaba party singna khatna chainaba amata yaudana nungsi chanana waroishin purakpa ngamhalli haina wafam phongdokhi. Ngarangdagi haudokhiba chayola machathagadaba training program asi mapung fana loisilakpa matamda training da saruk yariba Judicial Officer sing amasung Advocate singna train tawraba mediator amamam oina mediation gi khuthangda tongan ba miyam gi yanadaba amasung chayetnaba singi waroishin purakpa ngamlagani hainasu mahakna thajaba phongdokhi. Chayolama chupna chathagadariba training program asida MCDC gi maikaidagi mediation trainer tarukna tongan ba batch ahum thokna khaidoktuna Advocate amadi Judicial Officer singda training pigani. Train tawraba mediation trainer taruk adudi Mumbai da base toba City Civil Court and Additional Session Judge oina lairiba Mahesh Krishnaji Jadab amasung Milanga District ta laiba District Judge 1 and Additional Session Judge oina lairiba Sanjeev Tukaram Valerao, Advocate Srilal Warrior, Advocate George Marela Palet, Advocate R. Bijay Kumar amasung Advocate G. Laxmis Rao hairiba sing asini. Training program haudokiba thoramadda High Court of Manipur gi Registrar General Ozes Mutumsu Dice the Famki. Training program adu mapung fahannaba pandamda saruk yakiba Masalsa gi Executive Chairman Justice A. Bimol, High Court of Manipur gi Registrar General Ozes Mutum, Judicial Officer sing Advocate sing Masalsa gi Media Coordinator su oiriba Advocate S. Devenda, Masalsa gi Staff sing amasung Print amadi Electronic Media gi miyoi singbu Masalsa gi kaidagi thagatpa phongdokhi. Media gi miyoi singna lok adalat amasung mediation program sing asigi matangda miyamda paksana sandokpiduna miyamna program sing asigi khudong chaba lohannaba makhatana hotnabiyu chayetnaba leiba khudingmak alternative dispute resolution mechanism singi khuthangda waroishin puraknaba hotnabada print amasung electronic media na makhatana maru oiba thodang lobiyu haiki.